Hello friends, how are you? Today we will learn colors and alphabets. Let's learn some colors.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the
Orange
dell.
color,
Farmer takes the
red
wife,
color,
farmer takes the wife.
blue color,
Hi-ho, the
purple
dairy-o,
color,
farmer takes the wife.
green color, brown color, sky blue
Wife
color,
takes the child,
yellow
the wife
color,
takes the child.
pink color.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse. The child
Now,
takes the
let's
nurse.
try to write the
Hi-ho, the
alphabets.
dairy-o, the child takes the
ABC.
nurse.
Alphabet A. A for animals. A.
The nurse takes the cow.
B.
Hi-ho,
B
the
for
dairy-o, the
bank.
nurse takes the cow.
B.
Cow takes the dog. The cow
C.
takes the dog.
C for
Hi-ho, the
camera.
dairy-o, the cow takes the
Letter
dog.
C. D. D for
The
dolphin.
dog takes
D.
the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog
E
takes the
for
cat. Cat takes
elephant.
the mouse.
E.
Cat takes the mouse.
F.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o,
F
the
for
cat takes the
family. F. G. G for grandma. G.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse.
H. H for helicopter.
Cheese stands alone.
H.
Hi-ho, the
I.
dairy-o, the cheese
I
stands
for
alone.
ice cube.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o,
I.
the cheese stands alone.
J. J for jumper. J. K. K for king. K. L. L for library. L. M. M for master. M. N for needle. N. O. O for octopus. O. P. P for pigeon. P. Q. Q for queen. Q for cube. Q. R. R for rainbow. R. S. S for strawberry. S. T. T for turtle. T. U. U for university. U. V. V for van. V. W. W for wing. W. X. X for xylophone. X. Y. Y for yogurt. Y. Z. Z for zebra. I have used violet color and pink color. Now, let's revise them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.